Welcome to today's tutorial where we will learn together how to set a white background on your Instagram story. Whether you want to refresh the look of your stories or simply highlight your content, follow the steps we will go through together. Soon, you'll discover how easy it is to set a white background and give your Instagram stories a new visual impact. Without further delay, let's get started. First, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, tap on Update and wait a few seconds for the app to update. Once that's done, tap on Open to open the Instagram app. Now, swipe the screen from left to right to open the Instagram camera. Next, tap on the Create option located on the left side of the screen. Different colored backgrounds will automatically appear. To change the background color, tap the circle in the bottom right corner of the screen until you reach the white background. Once you find the white background, you can add stickers, videos, and photos to it. Now, click on the sticker icon at the top of the screen, then choose an image, video, or sticker for your story. Great! That's it for this video. If you found the video helpful, like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you soon.